Those viral bad ASMR videos are taking over TikTok and Instagram. Hundreds of millions of views in just one video. This is just one of hundreds of creators out there doing it. And today I'm gonna show you how you can create them yourself just by describing what you want in 1 or 2 words. So make sure to stick until the end. This one we're gonna be using N8N. If you don't know what N8N is, it's basically the tool that will help us to make the whole process automated. Before we continue with the video, I want to tell you that you don't need to have any technical skills in order to build this, because I'll be providing you with all the links, files and SOPs on how you can set it up yourself. You can create your N8N account in the official N8N website, link will be down in the description. It takes around 1 minute and it's really straightforward. After you create your N8N account, you'll be prompted to a page that looks similar like this one. You just need to click create workflow. After that, you'll be redirected to your workflow canvas, and what I want you to do is to click on those 3 dots here and to click on import from file. As I said, the file with this workflow will be attached down in the description, so go get it and import it here. Now let me walk you through step by step what this workflow does and how it actually produces those videos. The first thing that we have here is that we have scheduled this workflow to run every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes it will go into your Google Sheet and see if you have added new concepts that needs to be generated videos from. And speaking of the Google Sheet, here how it looks like. I have named it video generation and named the exact sheet bad ASMR. Here we have just 2 columns, bad concept and result. Bad concept is the concept that you want video with, and the result will store the actual link to the video. So right here is where we actually get the record from the Google Sheet. Here on document and sheet, you actually have to connect yours. So go ahead, make the same template or just duplicate mine and connect it right here. And we have our video prompt creator, which is a simple AI agent, which is using OpenAI for the creation of the prompt. We have our user prompt and our system prompt here. The user prompt is really simple. We just provide the bad concept here. The system prompt is the prompt that we should focus on. Here we have provided the full instructions it should focus on. We have the setting, the character, the bad description, the interaction sequence and the render specs. And at the bottom we have some more additional rules. If you don't like something about the videos it creates, you can come here, make some changes in the prompt and save it. That's all. And by the way, to use OpenAI directly in N8N, first we need to get your OpenAI API key, and let me show you how to do that. Here is the place where you should create your new API key. Also, I'll attach a link down in the description. This takes 30 seconds. Just click on create new secret key. Here, name it. I'll name my bad ASMR. And on project, just select default project. Click create secret key and you have your API key ready. Just copy it. And after you have copied it, click on this circle right here with the ChatGPT logo. Here, you should click on create new credential and just put your API key here and click save. Now that you have connected your OpenAI account, let's move on. For the video generation, we'll be using a tool called Key AI. Key AI is basically a platform that allows us to access all the new and popular video models, image models, music models in one place. So create your account here. Again, it takes 1 minute, it's straightforward. And after you have created your Key AI account, come to the API keys section in your profile and click create new key. Name it, click create and copy it. After that, come to N8N, click on this create video node, come to the header out section. First, make sure generic out type is set to header out. And here you have to click create new credential. On name, put authorization as I have written it right here. And on the value, paste your Key AI API key. Again, click save and you're ready to go. Your create video settings should look like this. So the request should be post. The URL should be exactly as this one. We are using Veo3 to generate the video. To be more specific, Veo3 fast. And here in the JSON, you should just copy and paste this exact body. By the way, if you want to make those videos for YouTube instead of shorts, you should change the aspect ratio here to 16:9 instead of 9:16. After that, we just wait until our video is generated. So when it's generated, we put the link back in our Google Sheets. So your get video node settings should look like this. Again, on header out, don't forget to put your key AI authorization that we created before. One more important thing you need to do is to come to key AI, to your billing section in your profile, and to buy credits in order to generate your videos. You can go with the lowest option, $5, it's enough. Now that you've done all those steps, let's create our first video. I will click on execute workflow and it has already started. For our test concept, I'll be using Strawberry Bet. Now the AI agent is actually creating the prompt for Veo3. Done. Now Veo3 is generating our video. And the workflow completed successfully. Here is our URL. Let's open it and see the video. It actually did a pretty good job. As I said before, if you want it in a YouTube format, just come here in create video and change the aspect ratio to 16:9. And if you want to change something in the video format, just come to your video prompt creator and change the system message right here. That's it, guys. That will be it for this video. I really hope it was helpful and I hope you produce a lot of satisfying bet ASMR videos like those. The exact files and instructions will be in my free Skull community. You can join and get them in the link down in the description. If you want to see more videos like this one, drop a comment down below with your ideas. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for sticking until the end and see you in the next one.